Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to unlock ChatGPT's full potential and give you 10 proven steps to master AI-powered conversations. Now, one of the reasons I wanted to shoot this video today was because I was on LinkedIn and I saw an AI person's post saying ChatGPT doesn't give very good outputs. And I disagree with that. He just didn't know how to prompt ChatGPT correctly. So I'm going to go through the 10 steps to help you get really great outputs using ChatGPT. Step 1, nail the perfect prompt, and you can unleash precision in every response. Discover how to be crystal clear and specific. You can be crystal clear and specific, and that will transform ChatGPT into your ultimate assistant. You want to avoid 1. You need to nail the perfect prompt and unleash precision in every response. You want to be crystal clear and give specific instructions, and this can transform ChatGPT into your ultimate assistant. You want to avoid pitfalls of vague requests and see the magic happen when you get precise. 2. Set the scene. Why context is king. If you've ever wondered why some responses hit the mark while others miss, it's all about the context. You want to learn how to provide the background details that make your requests bulletproof. 3, speak the language, mastering tone and style. You want your AI to sound like an expert, a friend, or something in between. You're in control. You just have to tell ChatGPT how you want it to sound. So you can define the right tone and style to make your interactions feel natural and spot on. 4, conversational gold, the secret to refining responses. You'll see how the power of engaging in dialogue with ChatGPT makes your prompts even better. It's not just about asking. You can talk to ChatGPT like it's a friend, go back and forth, have a conversation with it, and you'll get better and better outputs. You'll learn how to fine-tune responses through back and forth exchanges. If you don't like an output, say, hey, can you make this better? Can you make it sound like Oprah Winfrey? Or can you make it sound like an attorney with 20 years of experience? 5, precision matters. You need to know when to ask for more or less. If you need a quick answer or a deep dive, you decide you just have to tell ChatGPT what you want. You want to find out how to command consciousness or request elaboration to get exactly what you need. 6, example-driven mastery, the blueprint for perfect responses. Stop guessing and start showing examples. Those are your secret weapon to getting better outputs. Discover how to guide ChatGPT with clear, example-driven prompts for the perfect outcome. Be specific. Tell ChatGPT what you want and what you don't want. 7, step into a role. This is how to get expert advice from AI. If you want it to think like a doctor, a lawyer, or a tech guru, it can. Tell it the voice that you want. Learn how assigning these roles can elevate your responses to expert level precision. 8, structure for success. You want the power of clear formatting. You don't like your outputs? Bring order to the chaos with clear formatting instructions. Master the art of structuring information for responses that are as organized as they are insightful. If you want bullet points, say, hey, make this section in bullet points. Want heading tags? Tell ChatGPT how you want it. Do you want an outline first, or do you want it to just write the entire article? Be specific in your prompts. 9, iterate like a pro, perfecting responses through refinement. Don't settle for okay when you can have exceptional. Go back and forth. See how asking for specific revisions can turn okay responses into great ones. 10, fact check like a detective with ChatGPT. Why verification is non-negotiable. Trust, but verify. Make sure your response stands up to scrutiny. Learn why AI-generated content is a powerful tool, but only when paired with diligent fact-checking. Make sure to do your research, and you can use ChatGPT as a starting point for articles, social media posts, SEO, YouTube descriptions, whatever. You can put your own spin on it and make it completely yours. Now, I hope this video has been helpful. If you think it has, please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment, ask questions. I can't wait to see you in the next video.